Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to show you how to get as well as sign in to the Xbox app on your mobile device. So ladies and gentlemen, the first thing you need to do is get the actual app. So we're right over here on my mobile device and I'm using an iPhone, so I've got the App Store. But you can just go to the Play Store if you're using an Android device, and you're going to look for the search bar down over here and you're going to go and dial in Xbox. Now, once you've dialed in Xbox, you will see, if you just search, you will see this app right over here. It's the Xbox app. That is literally the Xbox app. So once you have downloaded it, you see over here, it says open. But if it doesn't say open, it'll say download or get. So now you're going to go ahead and download it. And once you've done that, you will open it up. This is what it will look like. So give it a second. It now wants to sign in. So say continue. And here you are going to sign in with your Microsoft account. Preferably the Microsoft account that's linked to your actual Xbox. So go ahead and tap on the search bar, the text box over here, and enter your email or your phone number that's attached to your Microsoft Xbox account. Of course, you will now be prompted to enter your password. So go ahead and click on next. Depending on how you have your device set up, you'll have the option to save your password. I'm going to just say save password. And here you'll see it says it's saved. And now you can either sign in faster with your face, your fingerprints, or a PIN, or you can just say skip for now. I'm going to just say skip for now. You'll now see your username. You'll also see your profile picture. And here you will still have the option to sign in with a different account if you recognize that this is not the correct account. However, if it's the correct account, you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to click on Let's Go. You'll have the option to share some diagnostic data. So you can either say continue and you can select what will be shared. Here you are going to manage your console and also connect with any friends. So let's go and say next. Here you can turn on notifications for social, game content, game alerts, and Game Pass benefits. For now, we're just going to go ahead and skip that. And here you can find your friends. So you can link Steam to find your friends on Xbox. So either Steam, Twitch, Discord, Reddit, and whichever one you decide to link, you'll go through the process and just connect them, give them permissions. And then the next thing is the Xbox Game Pass. Again, it'll just give you some information. Make sure that you read through it. If you'd like to sign up, go ahead and click on View All Plans. For now, we're going to skip. And then if you have a new console, you're going to go and set it up. If you have an existing console, just say nope. And you are now done. Once you tap on X over here, you'll see that this is your Xbox app, and on the bottom you've got home, you've got social, you've got search, your library, and then your Game Pass.